Welcome to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like as it will help us to reach more people who need free educational and informative contents. Today we are going to learn the basics of computer. Here we will discuss everything you need to know to get started. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve, and process data. A computer is described as an electronic device because it is made up of electronic components and uses electric energy, such as electricity, to operate. Charles Babbage was a mathematician, philosopher, inventor and mechanical engineer. Babbage originated the concept of a digital programmable computer. Babbage is considered by some to be father of the computer. Next, we will discuss the types of computers. According to their purpose and use, computers are classified into supercomputers, mainframe computers, server computers, workstation computers, personal computers, and smartphone or tablet computers. A supercomputer is a computer with a high level of performance as compared to a general-purpose computer. The term is commonly applied to the fastest high-performance systems available at any given time. Such computers have been used primarily for scientific and engineering work requiring exceedingly high-speed computations. A mainframe computer, informally called a mainframe, is a computer used primarily by large organizations for critical applications like bulk data processing for tasks such as censuses, industry and consumer statistics, enterprise resource planning, and large-scale transaction processing. In computing, a server is a piece of computer hardware or software that provides functionality for other programs or devices, called clients. A workstation is a special computer designed for technical or scientific applications. Intended primarily to be used by one person at a time, they are commonly connected to a local area network and run multi-user operating systems. A personal computer is a general-purpose computer whose size, capabilities and original sale price make it useful for individuals and is intended to be operated directly by an end user with no intervening computer operator. A personal computer may be a desktop computer or a laptop netbook, tablet or a handheld PC. Smartphones and tablets are indeed considered computers. Usually, with a smartphone and tablet, input is provided using a touchscreen interface and the output is seen on a screen. Smartphones and tablets have many similarities to traditional desktop computers. Next, we will discuss what is hardware and software in a computer system. Hardware is everything you can touch in a computer system, as opposed to software, which is abstract and exists only in a virtual world as computer code. Hardware is made of materials found in the universe and are subject to the laws of physics. Contrary to the former, software is bound only by the creator's imagination and the user's willingness to use the software. Next, we will see some examples of hardwares and softwares. Some of the common examples of hardware are monitor, scanner, speaker, keyboard, printer, and motherboard. All these devices can be touched and have physical existence, unlike software. Some commonly used and most popular softwares include Photoshop, Chrome, VLC Media Player. Next, we will discuss the input, process and output model. Computer is an electronic device that receives input, stores or processes the input as per user instructions and provides output in desired format. Computer input is called data and the output obtained after processing it based on user's instructions is called information. This is also known as input, processing and output cycle. Computer input units such as keyboard or mouse accepts input from the user. The process determines what the computer does with it, or what the user aims at providing the specific input. The processing is then converted into output that users desire. It is commonly in the form of text on a screen, printed materials, or sound from your speaker or headphones. Next, we will see some commonly used input and output devices. An input device is something you connect to a computer that sends information into the computer. An output device is something you connect to a computer that has information sent to it. Some of the common input devices we use daily are mic, scanner, keyboard and mouse. They all accept data from the users into the computer. Some of the commonly used output devices are printers, speakers, monitors and projectors. They all show final output desired by the user after processing it. Next, we will understand what is an operating system. An operating system, OS, is system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. Some of the worldwide used operating systems include Windows OS, Android OS, and Ubuntu OS. The operating system acts as an intermediary between programs and the computer hardware. Next, we will understand what is a computer language. A computer language or programming language is a vocabulary and set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer or computing device to perform specific tasks. The computer understands only zeros and ones. As it is hard to type programming languages with just zeros and ones and need more effort to interact with it, we came up with programming languages like Python, C++, Java, Ruby, and Fortran. These programming languages are more easy to interact and converts our commands to machine language that computers can easily understand and read. Next, we will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of computers. The main advantages are speed, accuracy, multitasking, storage, data security, automation, and reduced cost. The main disadvantages are health issue, cybercrime, virus and hacking, improper use, environmental impacts, lack of intelligence, and no emotions. Next, we will discuss the main applications of computer systems. Computers are used in every sector now. Adaptation of computer systems have become vital for the survival of any business. The main applications of computer systems are in the medical field, entertainment, education, government, banking, science and engineering, arts, and in homes. The future of computer systems. Computers are evolving at a rapid phase. Within a decade or two, computers will have double or triple the processing power of what we have now. They will be much smaller and can be at the size of an ATM card or a coin. There can be even computers that we directly implant in our human body. Artificial intelligence will assist us in our day-to-day life from simple to complex tasks. Most of the jobs will be done by computers as they need little to no break in maintenance. There is a huge chance that current limitations of computer system can be cleared in future years. One thing is for sure, the revolution is just starting, and we can expect huge changes in near future. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and give you valuable feedback as comments, as it will help us improve our videos and reach more people. Thank you.